अच्छा, pituitary gland in vertebrate anatomy. The pituitary gland or the hypophysis is an endocrine gland about the size of pea and weighing about 0.5 grams in humans. It is a protrusion of the bottom of the hypothalamus at the base of the brain. The hypophysis rests upon the hypophyseal fossa of the sphenoid bone in the center of the middle cranial fossa and is surrounded by the small bony cavity covered by the dural fold. The anterior pituitary is a lobe of the gland that regulates several physiological processes, including stress, growth, reproduction, and lactation. The intermediate lobe synthesize and secrete melanocyte stimulating hormone. The posterior pituitary is a lobe of gland that is functionally connected to the hypothalamus by the median eminence via a small tube called pituitary stalk, also called the infundibular stalk or the infundibulum. Pituitary gland details identifiers. Hormones secreted from the pituitary gland helps to control growth, blood pressure, energy management, all functions of the sex organs, thyroid gland, and the metabolism, as well as some aspect of the pregnancy, childbirth, breastfeeding, water salt concentration at the kidney, temperature regulation, and the pain relief. Structure. The pituitary gland in humans is pea-sized gland that sits in a protective bony enclosure called the sella turcica. It is composed of two lobes, anterior and posterior, with the intermediate lobe that joins the two regions. In many animals, these three lobes are distinct. The intermediate and the avascular and almost absent in human beings. The intermediate lobe is present in many animal species, in particular in rodents, mice, and the rats, that have been used extensively to study pituitary development and function. In all animals, the fleshy glandular anterior pituitary is distinct from the neural composition of the posterior pituitary, which is an extension of the hypothalamus. Anterior. Anterior pituitary arises from an invagination of the oral ectoderm, Rathke pouch. This contrasts with the posterior pituitary, which originate from the neuroectoderm. Endocrine cells of the anterior pituitary are controlled by the regulatory hormones released by the parvocellular neurosecretory cells in the hypothalamic capillaries, leading to infundibular blood vessels, which in turn lead to a second capillary bed in the anterior pituitary. The vascular relationship constitutes the hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. Diffusing out of the second capillary bed, the hypothalamic releasing hormone then binds to the anterior pituitary endocrine cells, upregulating or downregulation their release of hormones. Anterior lobe of the pituitary can be divided into pars tubralis and the pars distalis that constitute 80%, approximately 80% of the glands. The pars intermedia lies between the pars distalis and pars tubralis and is rudimentary in the humans. Although in other species it is more developed, it developed from the depression in the dorsal wall of pharynx, known as Rathke pouch. Anterior pituitary contains several different types of cells that synthesize and secrete hormones. Usually, there is one type of cell for each major hormone formed in the anterior pituitary, with the special stains attached to the high affinity antibodies that bind with the distinctive hormone. At least five types of cells can be differentiated: somatotrophs, corticotrophs, thyrotrophs, gonadotrophs, and lactotrophs. Somatotrophs ह्यूमन ग्रोथ हार्मोन स्क्रीट करता है, कॉर्टिकोट्रोफ्स ACTH को करता है, थायरोट्रोफ्स TSH, गोनेडोट्रोफ LH एंड FSH, और लैक्टोट्रोफ प्रोलैक्टिन. Percentage of type of cell: somatotrophs 30 to 50%, corticotrophs 20%, thyrotrophs 3 to 5%, gonadotrophs 3 to 5%, and lactotrophs 3 to 5%. Posterior lobe develops as an extension of the hypothalamus from the floor of the third ventricle. The posterior pituitary hormones are synthesized by the cell bodies in the hypothalamus. The magnocellular neurosecretory cells of the supraoptic and the paraventricular nuclei located in the hypothalamus project axons down the infundibulum to terminals in the posterior pituitary. This simple arrangement differs sharply from that of the adjacent anterior pituitary, which does not develop from the hypothalamus release of pituitary hormone, but the both anterior and posterior lobes is under the control of the hypothalamus, albeit in different ways.